was good to see the offensive be more explosive, throw the ball downfield. We got a lot of receivers catching the ball, making plays. Had some run after the catch, which is something we've been emphasizing. Let's go. Then the defense, I thought, rallied in the second half of the scrimmage and played more physical up front, made some plays in the secondary. You want to score every time you're out there on offense, and then you want the defense to stop them every single time. And when they don't, you get concerned about that. But I do really like the competition. I think it's made them all better.